How can we help you?
Hello, Gary. My fridge has broke down and I'm really worried my eggs are going to go off. I have to eat 150 eggs a day to stay strong.
You keep your eggs in your fridge. Isn't it strange how we buy them on shelves at the supermarket but put them straight in the fridge at home? Well, you didn't need to bring your fridge to us, though, Eddie. We'll come out to you to repair your washing machines, dishwashers, ovens, and even that fridge of yours.
I have a confession.
You didn't buy it at Curry's. That's fine, too.
Really? Well, in that case, Gary, I've got a washing machine at home that's on the blink. And he's looking at too. You're going home with me.
Eddie, your fridge.
Don't worry about that, G-Dog. I'll come back for that.
My car's just outside. I can't just drive.
What's that, Gazza? Yeah, I think we're going to be best buds too.